Hello, my friends. We are coming to you from my kitchen and we are going to show you how to make ice cream in a bag. This is Natalia. Say hi, Talia. You didn't even get your hand high enough to wave. Hi! Okay, so let's go over the ingredients first. So I'm going to bring it over here and super simple. So if you guys can see, I can't figure out how to run my computer here. We have 3 ingredients. There's half and half. You will have sugar, which is my big bin here is sugar, and then you'll have vanilla. Those are the 3 ingredients. And then for a cold freezing method, there is kosher salt, which is a little bit higher granule. It's got a little bit coarser, and so it gets colder, a lot colder, and really increases that coldness. Bryce, turn your video down, please. And then I also have about half a bag of ice. And what we're going to do, Natalia is going to put in the ingredients inside of our half quart size bag. And I always use the little bit thicker bags, like a freezer bag, just because they might leak if they're not those thicker bags. So we have, Natalia, you got to turn that way, honey. No one wants to see back your head. Can you put in the 1 cup of half and half? Hold on. Try not to spill it, please. Okay, so we got 1 cup of half and half, and you're going to want something that has more cream. Regular 2% milk will work, it just takes longer. Here we have 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then it says to do a half teaspoon of vanilla. So will you hold the bag, please? So, whoops, that's a 4th. Half teaspoon of vanilla. I grabbed my unopened one. I need a knife. Okay, sorry. Thought I had the open one. Okay, here, Talia. Let's put that in there. We're going to close it up nice and tight. Close it up. And as you're closing it, you want to make sure that you squish the air out. So I've got a little hole on the side here still. And I'm just squishing the air out. And it kind of goes a little faster. So sealed up. All right. We are going to put our ice. Talia, will you dump 1/3 cup of kosher salt in with the ice, and it increases that coldness. So mix it in there. Stick this down in the ice. We're going to close that bag up. Get rid of that air. And then all you do now is you shake it around, and it might take about 5 to 7 minutes roughly around there. So we're going to take turns because it gets super, super cold. So I'm going to show you after this what happens. I'm going to pause it, and I'm going to shake it and get it nice and cold, okay? Okay, so here's Natalia. She's busy shaking. Shaking. Is it getting cold? Okay. We're going to shake it a little bit longer, and then we'll be back. Okay, my friends, we are back. It's been about 2-3 minutes, something in there. Maybe a little bit longer. We forgot to time it. Colton says, Mom, you should have timed it. We forgot. So I've opened my bag up. Take out the bag. And it's not very liquidy anymore, guys. I'm going to wipe this off because it has salt all over the outside of it. I'm going to wipe it off. And open it up. Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoops.
Yeah.
Good thing it's in a bag.
Yeah.
Check that out. Scoop it out. Guys, we just made ice cream in a bag. So Talia has her own ice cream in her little bowl here. Okay, Talia, you want to try it? Give us a taste test. Ready? What do you think?
It's cold.
It's cold. 1 thumb or 2 thumbs up? How does it taste? 2 thumbs up, she says. Let me try it. Mmm, so good. I like toppings with sprinkles, maybe even those like mini little M&Ms, or maybe some hot fudge. Mmm. You can make your own little ice cream treat for yourself and your family, and they can help participate with shaking the bag. So hopefully you guys get it to work. If you do, why don't you take a picture and send it to me and Natalia? We'd love to hear and see about all your ice cream experiences. Bye, guys. Enjoy.